Have you ever stopped to wonder what it means when we say a machine has learned something? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? Let's delve into the enigma of artificial intelligence to unravel this mystery. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a branch of computer science where the goal is to create machines that mimic human intelligence. It's about creating algorithms that allow machines to respond and react like a human, to think and learn like us. But how do they learn? This is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a method used in AI where machines improve their performance on specific tasks over time without being explicitly programmed to do so. They learn from past experiences, much like we humans do. They make mistakes, learn from them, and then use that knowledge to get better. So when we say a machine has learned something, we mean it has become better at a task based on its past experiences. But how does a machine learn, you might ask? How does it improve? Well, let's break it down. At the heart of artificial intelligence is the concept of machine learning.